guys, welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci. I know I've been coming with a bunch of wig installs, but so many of you guys ask me how I do my particular hair, where I get the hair from. So your girl has been fleeking these hairstyles for you guys. As you guys know, I am a wig beginner, but I'm really trying to do my best at putting wigs on, and I think I did a damn good job. This wig is from Moxika. I'm gonna put it on the screen because I don't know how to pronounce it. This is how my package came presented to me. It's like a little ombre effect. It's like a little ombre color going on. When you open it up, your hair does come to you in this little bag. It says 22%, 180 density. It also has a little hair bag. They give you a wig cap, and that's it. Today I'm gonna be doing this half up, half down. I did leave it in its natural texture. So this is air dried hair. It's a little wavy, a little loose wave going on. I think it's super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed today's wig video, and let's hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So you guys, this is how the hair turned out. I actually left the bottom air dried, so it's like a nice body wave. I'm 110% feeling this hair. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I've been fleeking a lot of wigs, really trying my hardest to get it to look really nice. So this is what it's looking like. I think it's super cute. Let me just stand up real quick so you guys can see the length. I am 5'5", for anybody wondering. This is how long the hair is on me. It is 22 inches. Okay, so that's how the hair looks. This is how the hair texture looks, just air dried. I do have some pros and cons to the hair. I'm gonna say the only con that I had was bleaching the knots. I bleached the knots, but I feel like the knots really didn't take well to the bleaching. Like I need to bleach it one more time and then I feel like it will be the perfect amount of bleachness, if you know what I mean. I did plug the knots. So I tried to tell you guys not to be lazy when it comes to your hairstyles. I used to be lazy back in the past. And today was cute. I might have just thrown on a hat, but nowadays I just really try to do my best at fleeking wigs and just doing other outside of the box hairstyles that I normally don't do. So I love it. I would highly recommend you bleach your knots. Maybe if I would have went in with like a 40 volume developer, the knots would have took a little better than they did. So I'm gonna need to bleach them one more time and I feel like they're gonna be perfect. I feel like that's the only con. Everything else, the pros, the hair is super soft. When it comes to the frontal spacing, it's not much frontal on the side, but as you guys can see, I was able to put it half up. It's like a 13x4. The inside looks really nice. It's very comfortable. It's definitely big head friendly for any girls or guys out there who have big heads that wear wigs. I love it. I think it's so cute. Like recently, a lot of the wig companies that I've been ordering from have just been doing it for me. Like the hair texture, everything. And as you guys can see, I did not add any like waves or anything. I just kept it beginner friendly. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Another thing, when I was washing it, I did not experience any tangling and or shedding, which was amazing, especially since I bleached the knots. Typically, like if I was going to see some shedding, I would see it as I'm detangling the hair. The hair was super easy to detangle. Like I say, I'm very repetitive. You need a detangling brush, especially if you're gonna have curly and or wavy hair. Just do that investment because you're definitely going to need it. But overall, I genuinely really like this hair. I think it's super cute. Definitely perfect for the holidays. I'm gonna be having my hair like this on Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. I'm sure you're not gonna see this video before Thanksgiving, but happy holidays. Make sure you love your loved ones and live your best life. You only get one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.